Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer stuffed peppers. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to make these easy keto stuffed peppers in an air fryer, but first we have to make the filling. So we're going to start with a pound of mild sausage, whatever kind of sausage you want. It doesn't matter. Breakfast sausage, Italian sausage, it all tastes good. So we're gonna cook this sausage until it's cooked all the way through, and we're gonna crumble it. Of course, it's ground meat. Okay, while this is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and put my green bell peppers in my air fryer basket and start to get them cooking. We want to pre-cook them so we don't have to take so long to cook them with the filling in them. So I'm gonna put, these are already cleaned out. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. You can see with my 6-quart air fryer, they fit perfectly in there. And I always get the question, what air fryer do I use? I use a 6-quart New Wave Brio air fryer. Okay, our sausage is pretty much done, but it was pretty greasy, so I'm going to absorb some of the grease from the sausage. You know, you don't need all that excess grease. I don't care if you're doing keto, what. You don't, no one needs all that excess grease. So I'm just gonna absorb it with, most of it with a paper towel. I mean, that's a lot of grease in there. I would say it's gonna be juices as well, but it's a lot of grease. I would say there was probably about a half a cup in there. Okay, now we're going to continue with the filling, and we're going to add in, this is 8 ounces of mushrooms that we've pulsed in the food processor to get them really nice and chopped. You don't have to do that, you can use a knife, but I really like doing this because it's so easy. I'm also going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. So we're going to cook this until the mushrooms are softened, they release their water, and the water evaporates. You know, about 5 minutes. Okay, our mushroom and sausage mixture is looking perfect. I'm gonna add in 12 ounces of frozen chopped cauliflower rice. We're not cooking it ahead of time, we're just putting in here frozen. It's one of my favorite shortcut items. Any kind of frozen chopped vegetable, such a shortcut. Such a big help in the kitchen. I'm just gonna stir this in and just let it get, you know, a little bit defrosted. It'll pretty much defrost like instantly. And now I'm gonna turn off the heat, and I'm gonna add in 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And our peppers just finished in the air fryer, so that was perfect timing. Let me get this stirred in. Got our peppers. They're a little hot. They've got some water in them, so I'm gonna dump that out. Let me use a clean rag to hold these because they are hot. Okay, now with the clean rag, I'm gonna hold each of the peppers and fill them with the filling. You just want to get as much in there as you can. Really smush it in there. Just like that. 1 down, 3 to go. So depending on the size of your peppers, it may not all fit, or you may have enough, just a little left over, which is fine. So we're going to top the peppers with a half a cup of cheese, the same cheese, Monterey Jack. Shredded Monterey Jack. And now these are ready to cook at 400 for 10 minutes. Okay, our peppers are all ready. Look at this beauty. This pepper is nice and soft. And let's just get a bite out of here. So much cheese and delicious filling. Look at that. That is really good. If you're kind of new to the air fryer, you might want to check out this this video of 4 easy air fryer recipes. It is my most popular video on YouTube, so go check that out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.